In this video, we're gonna learn how to add a hyperlink in Microsoft Word and make it accessible. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. Now, in my document, I have a radon awareness report, which is hilarious because I meant to type random earlier using Copilot, and it did all of this stuff for me. So what if we wanted to put in a hyperlink? Well, let's go ahead and choose some text where we would want it to occur. So we can take this option overview of radon here, and we're going to right click it, select link, and in the address area, we're going to put the URL. In this example, I'm just going to put the accessibilityguide.com, and we're going to validate a couple of things. In the text to display area, we have the text overview of radon. And if we want, we could add a screen tip. We could say overview of radon, links to web page, and select OK. And something that I've been trying to do more often is throw in a little notification as to where we are taking the user. So in this example, I typed the word web after the hyperlink so that we know exactly where we are going. All right, so if we wanted to instead jump to somewhere in the document, we could select place in this document and choose one of the headings that we wanted to jump to. Or we could even enter in an email address. But since we're gonna do a web page, let's go ahead and select OK. And now we have a hyperlink in here that says overview of radon, web. And the color is passing color contrast requirements, so we are good to go. Now, there are some important tips to consider when making your hyperlinks accessible. For one, they should be descriptive. They should tell the user exactly where they are going. You should avoid the use of full URLs and vague language like click here and more information. In a document that had 100 click here's and more infos, we can use our assistive technology to pull up a list of hyperlinks in the document. And it's not really any help when all we see is click here, click here, click here, click here. This is why it's important that we make those hyperlinks descriptive and avoid the vague language. I highly recommend you join my exclusive community right here on YouTube for deep dives and tutorials in how to make your documents accessible. And if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, book a time to meet with me right now. There's a link in the description. Book a time, and as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.